Well, I've been working on the bridge today. This is the entrance to it, just so you get some perspective. Here's the pond. There's Grace, the willow tree, the dock, and then in the distance is another bridge that I did a couple of years ago. It's about 65, 70 feet at least. And then I'll show you how far down this is. This is the normal bank that I'm coming up on right here where that grass is green. I don't know if you can see how that goes, but that water's clear way on down there. We measured it the other night. It's like 14 inches or better down from where it's supposed to be. So you can see now back in here is where this creek normally runs down through here. And there's two little channels now. There's one here in the kind of in the foreground, and then over there where it's real green is another little place, and there's still a little bit of water in those. And then, so back in here, you'll see I'm standing down in what normally would be way underwater. There's the bank up there. Maybe I can just walk up here. Frogs all over the place. Okay, so this ordinarily where I'm walking is there goes another frog. God, they're everywhere. Here's one of the little channels right here that I can walk in. It's dry. All this I mowed down. This is all normally underwater. And then over here, there's this one little channel going out, but you can probably see. I'm going to jump across here. You see back up there. See, that's normally has water in it. All right, well, here's where we're at with the bridge. All the posts are in, and I've already started putting some cross members on here. We came up 2 feet above what we believe would be water level. So where these cross members are right now, planking will go on top of that, the decking. These posts over here were a little difficult to get because I'm so close to the bank, and I ended up, but they were dry, which was really weird. At least when I dug them out, they were dry. When I came back today, they had water in the bottom, so I got post concrete that you just put dry concrete in the hole, and it absorbs the water that's in there and sets up. And these dudes are already rock hard. And then we've done these posts throughout this last week over here, and these are all set in concrete too. That board's just laying there because we were seeing if it was level, and it is. And then this morning early, before the sun was up on beating on us, I had to put these posts in up here, and it was really difficult. You see all these roots and junk here? See, that's normally, it's all washed out normally from water being in there. There was a tree there that I cut off. So anyway, on these ones up here, it was really difficult to get these dug out. And then, but they were dry. So I got some of that foam set. If you've never used it, it's pretty cool stuff. It's like a 2-part, and you mix it together, and then you got to pour it in the hole. This one had some area that was kind of cavernous, about 8 to 10 inches down, and I think it went back down under to where this kind of hollowed places is out here, where it's almost like sinkhole. So anyway, I thought, well, we'll get the foam, because when you put it in there, it expands. It's kind of expensive. It's about $12 a bag, and I put two bags in here. But that was just a little while ago, a couple hours ago, and this post is just like solid as a rock. So I'm pretty happy about that. And of course that post there too. So those both went in today and are set. Concrete went in the far ones on the other side of that bank over there. Now we're just to the fun part. I got these I bought a bunch of lumber. It was on the trailer. You probably saw it the first. I got these bolts. I'm going to through bolt the 2x8, like those 4 2x8s that are up over there. It's probably overkill, but I'm going to bolt those through the posts. Right now they're just hung up there with a nail, one nail on each side before I can go get the drill and drill through them. And then we'll run stringers along the edges of those, which will be used to help do the planking. We'll probably have to run some stringers in the middle of those. But anyway, it's coming along really good. I'm pretty pleased with it. And they're saying maybe rain tomorrow, but only an inch. We need so much more than that. So much more. But I'm still going to have time to do this and not be underwater. So anyway, we kind of made a circle. Here's where it come back up. So I guess that's it for tonight. Here's one of my sailboat projects.